doing? Welcome back to kobenata YouTube channel. Today is a new day. I'm taking you inside here. There is something I want you to know, guys, because I told you I'll be taking you everywhere, guys. So we can make it sure. So guys, make sure to subscribe, like, guys, and share, guys. Make sure you share this video so that it can go viral. Yeah. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Let's go inside and see what is inside. So guys, today I'm taking you to this poultry farming. Yes, as you can see, this is a poultry farm. It's a big farm, and this is one of the workers who works here. He takes care of this chicken by feeding them and cleaning and doing a lot of work, which is here. Yeah, these are the layers only. They are keeping only the layers. And as I've just talked to them, they are telling me that they buy this chicken when it's just 1 month to 2 months. So that after 3 months, they will start layering the eggs. So this chicken you are seeing here, they bought them on April. Yeah, on April. And also to this side, they also bought them. There are 2 bunches, they bought them from April. And another bunch, they got them from July. So July, you can see there is a gap there. So from July to April, how many months? That is April, May, June, July. Another 3 months, they bring some other chicken. 3 or 2 months, they bring some another young chicken so that they can start layering the eggs. And why are they doing like that? So that when they are hedging and stop layering, they'll sell the chicken for the meat. And then later, the ones which came before or after that, the one which came after that, they'll continue layering. So there is no day they are going to stay without selling the eggs. Yeah, and then I asked them how many months do they stay so that they can start layering the eggs. They said like they keep them for 3 to 4 months because they bought them after when they are 2 years, not 2 years, 2 months. Then after fourth month or that month, they start layering the eggs after that month, that is. So you can see this is a big farming. And now they are feeding them. Yeah, you can see that guy is getting some food and feeding them. And then there is another side. There is another bunch here, which is for July. This side for July. As you can see, yeah, on this bunch now, it's for July. So they are numbering them. As you can see, we have some numbers. It's only that my phone can't show very well, but you have some numbers so that they can know this one came at this time and this came at this time. And again, I've asked them, how do they feed them? They told me that they are feeding them with the layers, and they have some medicines which they give them. And then they told me that these chicken, they are so scared. They get scared because they are kept inside. There is no day they are seeing the sun. If they get direct sun, it affects them and they can die. And again, they are saying if they see the darkness, again they die very easy because they get scared that much. And again, they are saying when there was another time we had a earthquake. When they get shaken like that, again they fear. Yeah, so you can see chicken is hard to keep, but you make a lot of money. So this is another slot for the July now, like I told you, for the July. And here we have some containers where they put the medicine on these containers. They put the water and medicine. You can see like this one now here. It has got some drops of water, and that's why they have removed it and kept it aside, because it has just shaked. It got scared, and now it can't be kept there. It can die. So they have to keep it aside so that it can dry. Yeah, it's because of the drops of water, I'm telling you. Yeah, and then it's very expensive to keep the chicken, but still to get that money, it's very cheap, because every day they are getting like 75, 75 trays per day. Every day, 75 trays. You understand, eh? So, and these trays they are selling at 350. So if you say 75 times 350, you get a lot of money. You get a lot of money, I'm telling you. So by the end of the year, it has paid everything, because these terrace, they are very expensive. The shelters for the chicken, they are very expensive. Even the where they are feeding them, as you can see, they have that pipe where they are putting the food, and then we have the tap waters again where they are putting the water, and the water goes up to the end. You know, this farm is so big. You can see at the end there. Yeah, you can see at the end there is so big. So on these taps of water, they are putting these containers, they are putting the medicine inside this container, and then they are putting on the first container on top. Then they put the medicine, and by the time they want to give the medicine, they put the booster. Then the next, after like some 1 week, they put Nile cocks. Yeah, Nile cocks. And then they have some vitamins. They give them everything. All those are medicine. So when they put on the first container, it comes and fills to the next container. It mixes with the water, then like that. And then it goes with the tap, and then the chicken will be taking the water from their taps. They have a small tap just inside. Yeah, I don't know. Let me check, and then I show you where they have the tap. You'll see the chicken taking some water. Yeah, so guys, and then again I asked them how many chickens are here. They are saying it's like 3,500 for now. They have kept 3,500 chickens on this farm. So they're like 3,500 chicken on this farm. Yeah, if you see, and when yeah, another funny thing, when they are buying the chicken, they buy them when it's see the pipe I was telling you, that one is showing us. When they buy the chicken, they are buying them when they are cut, they are big, so that they cannot eat the eggs. And again, this chicken, they only lay the eggs during morning time. Every morning they lay the eggs, and there are those chicken which are laying the double eggs, like they have 2 yolks inside. Yeah, they have. They told me that they have like 5 of them in this farm. Yeah, so as you can see, now they are feeding. Their work is to give. The work of the workers is to give them food every morning, and then give them water, and then clean everything, every container. They clean even these things so that they can give the food to a place where it's clean. Yeah. And funny things, let me tell you, this chicken, all of them, they are cut the beaks. They cut the beaks when they are like 1 to 2 days old. So that they cannot be eating the eggs. Imagine. That's a funny thing I've just realized. And another thing is like when you are buying this the shed for the chicken, the shelter that is for the chicken. I'm telling you, it is very expensive when you buy a small one. But when you buy a whole huge, the long batch now, it is cheaper. They are saying it's cheaper to buy the long one than to buy a small one. So that's another thing I've just come to realize. If you buy the whole of it from this place to the hand, it is cheaper than buying a small one. They can even sell the small one, but it is cheaper to buy the whole of it. Yeah, that's another thing. Look at that. It's taking water. I'm telling you, the taps are so good done. Yeah? They are done very well that every chicken gets to get water. So guys, this all about the chicken farming around this place, and I've enjoyed in this chicken farm area. At least I've learned one or two things, and I just decided to share with you. Yes, I couldn't hesitate to share with you all this. Yeah, so that when you feel like you wanna put your chicken, you wanna start your farm for the chicken, you can start farming. So that's why I've just decided to share with you. So no, it's not a cheap job, but and again, it's not expensive. Yeah, so that's how it is for the chicken layering, and you get a lot of money when you come to harvesting the eggs. I'm telling you, you get a lot of money. These people, they are giving us eggs like all the time. We are getting eggs, and also we can't come out of this without getting some eggs. I'm telling you. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's a nice job. Eh? Look at that. It's a very, very nice work. And it is a big, big poultry farming. This one for July, the other side it was for May. And you can see they are rearing the eggs. This is where they are rearing the eggs like this. And look at that. Look at that. And they are cut on their tips. they are big. their cats so that they cannot eat the eggs. And they have their food here. They have their food here. Yeah, so this is a nice business. You can put it. These are double egg. So nimeona ni kikubwa. It has two yolks. You can see this one is bigger than this. So this one is like ni kikubwa. Ni ya mtoto si ndio imekuwa kadogo. So guys, this is how it is on this poultry farming. Nice one, and it is a huge one, and we have another one on this other side. Okay, that's taking water. You can see the way they are taking water. Okay, that's how they take water. That's how they drink water, like that. So on that tip, the water comes out. It's a nice view. Yes, guys, we are at the poultry area. Well, look at that. And there are many. And then we have the other side. Let me show you this other side. And we have the eggs over here. Yeah, this is a huge business. So guys, we are in the poultry farm area, and I think you are going to enjoy this video for today. And let me say thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. Yes, I know it's noisy, but let me say bye for now. Bye bye. And you can hear the way they are talking. Yes, nice one. They are many. Ama hizi zimezeeka. Hizi ni watoto, si ndio? Yeah. They are very young. These ones are young ones. They have not even started rearing the eggs. And these ones are cock, but they are very young, you see? Wow. These ones are young. Yeah. The young cocks.